Hey everyone, this is Miss Ryan. So this is for everybody in my course 7000. So I've been getting a lot of questions and everything about the literature review. Dr. Berry went and kind of reworded everything over the summer, and more people are kind of freaking out about the summit than they have in the past. So I did post in the informational section today a video that hopefully will help, a YouTube video. And I do have 3 sample essays. I went back and found some Word ones that I could take out names and everything. I can't edit a PDF of some students who scored really high. But the main thing is keep it simple. I'm pretty loose on the topics that you want as long as it relates to literature. My philosophy is I'm not trying just to make an assignment to make an assignment. I believe if there's something that you're passionate about and you want to research it and it pertains to class in some way, do it. You know, obviously email me for approval, but 9 out of 10 times I'm gonna say yes. You know, I want students to have their own ownership over their education, something that will help you in your daily life, in your career, something to that effect. So once you have your topic, all you need is 3 sources. You can have more if you want, but the more you have, the more work you're gonna have to do. So my advice, keep it simple. So Dr. Berry went through and added the section headings, and there's a rubric. So literally I go through each little section heading, go back to the essay, make sure you have that, yes, no, 15 points, however much each section's for, and you get individualized points that adds up to your whole thing. So if you don't have the section headings, then you're already losing points because you're not hitting those spots in your rubric. So you're going to do a summary of each article, what was added to your understanding, include, any extra headings you want, but make sure you have the basics. What were the strengths and limitations of the literature? So what were they looking for? What did they find? What did they leave out that maybe they needed to include in there? And then your summary of everything. Also, make sure you're putting your name on your paper. I probably had in both courses at least 20 people total that had no name or anything. I live in the Keys and my internet goes out all the time, so a lot of time I'm printing things and then I have no clue who it belongs to. Teaching grad course, like high school, yeah, it's obnoxious, but grad courses, so just remember that. Don't forget your bibliography. It is a whole section in grading. Make sure you have your hanging indents, all the things. And there is a word limit on here. So 1,500 min, 2,500 max. Make sure you're saving your papers with your last name, _ this is essay 1. So just kind of the simple things, 1-inch margins, 12 point, 1.5 spaced, all those good things. So hopefully that helps answer a few questions. I'm gonna go ahead and post this. Again, I have that YouTube video that I posted earlier today. Office hours, just send me an email and we will set it up. Also, don't forget when you guys post in that question and answer forum, my school district that I work for, QS, is a Microsoft district as well, so it locks me out. Like, I can't interchange, and I can respond to emails because it just comes to my phone as like one account. But if you guys post in that forum, I can see the questions, but I can't go through and post, and I can't log in to do that, so it's going to take me a lot longer. So email is best. If we need to set up office hours, we can have a phone chat and kind of go through everything. But those are kind of the main things that I've noticed and the questions that I'm getting. So if you guys have any additional questions, please reach out. Oh, I do want to touch on the quizzes. Somebody previously in the class pointed out a question, and I had one on this one too. So what I did last time, and I'm just going to do the same, I'm going to go through and add 2 points to the lowest score on everybody's quiz. So by the time you're done with all of them, I'm going to go through that last week when I'm putting grades in and add 2 points to whatever your lowest score is on your quiz. So hopefully that takes away a little bit of test anxiety, those quizzes, and will make up for any questions that are not worded correctly or were not clear. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.